Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to fix headset and mic not working on PS5. Check the headset, all functionalities. Now, unplug the headset from controller, then wait for 30 seconds and plug it back. Unmute from the controller. Now press the PS button from the controller, then go to sound icon from the bottom. Now change the output device to headset. Now go to mic icon, change the mic to headset and turn off the mute. Then click on adjust mic level. Drag the microphone level to middle. Now go to settings from top right, then go to sound, then go to input device, make it sure it is right and turn on the microphone status when logged in. Then go to audio output. Now turn on switch output device automatically. Now go back and click on accessories. Then go to deal sense wireless controller device software. Now reset the controller. Turn your controller back. Take one small pin. Now put the pin inside the small hole and hold for 3 seconds to reset controller. By following the steps, you can fix headset and mic not working.
If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.